All right. We are live. So yeah, Prince, am I audible? Am I audible? Uh, I think your video is off. You can just turn it on probably. We'll begin with the session. All right. First of all, congratulations on getting shortlisted for IDEATHON. Great to have you here with us. And first of all, let me know if I'm audible to you and Prince. You need to unmute yourself, probably. Am I audible to you? Like, guys, you guys can just write down in the chat box if I'm audible. Prince, you'll have to unmute. We cannot hear you yet.
Yeah, my mic is unmuted, man.
Yes, right now you're unmuted. First of all, congratulations on getting featured. This
Thanks.
is the place where you will be showcasing your project that you're building, that is Dive.link. And you can share us about what you're trying to build. Is it a side project? You're trying to, what problem you're trying to solve? What is the target audience and every sort of details. Um, just a bit of like before beginning, we just have to have a basic introduction about yourself. Like just you just tell us the viewers about where you come from, what is your current status of education and academic qualifications, and yeah, over to you.
Yeah. Hey guys, myself Prince Kumar Singh, and I am a BCA student first year studying in ITR college. And I am from the basically I am from Cuttack, but my hometown is in Bihar. So recently I have worked on a project, and its name is Divelink. It took me 4 to 5 months to develop it and implement new features and fix some simple bugs in that. And after 4 months, I have just it done live the project in server, and currently it has 100 users, 100 plus users on that, and on daily basis they're using it. So that's the topic.
All right, I think that's amazing. 100 plus users for a basic project. That's really great. Before beginning, and like I'll have a Q&A with you, but before that, please
Sure.
feel free to share your screen and just let the people know about what you're building, the features and your target audience, as I already mentioned. Feel free to share. You'll find an option of sharing your screen in the below
Yeah.
nav bar.
Yeah.
Have a share screen option. Yep.
Just give me a minute. Okay. Yeah, screen is
All
visible
right,
to
over to
everyone.
you. Yes, your screen is visible. You can start it off. You can have English and Hindi, so feel free to go ahead. Yeah.
Thanks. And I'm saying the link in the chat box. If anyone want to visit it, they can. So basically, it is a project where you can share all your social media links and Twitter and images post at a one place and share that link to anyone, and you can see how many users have visited this place means link or your bio page, or you can sort your URLs also from this one, or you can generate QR codes from this one, and it will have all the statistics of all the users that have visited in this, all their MAC IDs, not MAC IDs, IP address, device, from where they have visited basically, and which the referrals means like Instagram, WhatsApp, from where they have visited. So you simply need to create an account. Just click on login and sign up here. Yeah. Then just click on, you can sign in by email and or Google login. So I will do Google login because it is very easy to do it. So I just click on Google and my account is already created here, so it didn't ask for any permission. So just I want to create a bio page for myself. So I'll just create a bio link page. Then I can type any name. Right, my name is Prince. So I will give Prince Kumar. So after adding a name, or you can,
Sorry to interrupt, Prince. Maybe you can just stop your presentation and share it again. Your screen is freeze. We cannot really see the changes in your screen.
okay, okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Now it is visual.
Yes, it is visible. Go ahead.
Yeah. Okay. So let me start with the login page once again. Okay, you can just click on login here and sign with your Google account, or if you have registered through email ID and password, you can do it from login page, or just click on Google login and it will redirect to the dashboard. So after this, you can see total number of bio pages that you have created, bio links, page views, how many page has been viewed till now, and total projects. So let me create a bio page.
Again, I'm really sorry, Prince, to interrupt you, but I'll just like to have a poll from the audience, like if they can see your screen, because from my side, I can just see the login page. I'm not able to see your dashboard right
Okay.
now.
So just have my whole screen here. Alright, it's visible now.
Yes, it is visible. Yes, perfect. Go ahead.
Okay. So sorry guys for the inconvenience. So just click on login here. You can do email and password login or Google login here, and you can register also. So I have already created an account in my website. So I'll just create a Google login. Then you can see here total bio links that you have created, total bio link page views, how many users have visited your page, and total projects. Project means how many projects you have created. So I have on project CDH. In this field, how many certain URLs, biopic links, yeah, data. In the same data means how many users have been registered. That to the कितने users register किए particular form में. Means if you are conducting an event, you can just share a form within the bio page, and the candidate or the users can register from here, or how many QR codes you have been created in particular project. So for just now, I'll just create a bio page. Let me demo one. You can name it your name or anything, or you can leave it randomly and it will generate a random URL. So I have just created one. So let me add a block. Let's see. I want to add a means my photo. I'll just click on avatar and I'll choose a file from here. Let's see. I have some files. Yeah. Let's say I want to add this image as my avatar, a profile picture on the top. So I just click on open and I'll choose the size. Means which pixel do you want? So I'll select 125 pixels and it should be rounded. It must look better. Yeah. The photo has been added. So I want to add my Instagram link. So I'll just for now I'll just type https instagram.com slash prince Prince Kumar Singh. Yeah. I'll name it as Instagram. You can sub. Okay. Sorry for the inconvenience. It will be these two. Yeah. And here it will be link will be created button to click on the Instagram page. Like if you want to share your GitHub profile as a developer or LinkedIn profile, to connect with more users and to network with them, just click on Add Block, and here you'll see a socials button. Just click on that. From that, you can add your email ID. Like I am adding a demo.com, and I can add my telephone number. It is not necessary to add your telephone number in that. You can add your GitHub profile. Like I am adding it. Like my GitHub profile, my Telegram username, Facebook. If you have any Facebook page, Facebook Messenger, Instagram, Twitter, or Spotify, anything, you can just add here. And just a second. I think this traffic is getting high. And here you can see all the means my email, GitHub profile, and Telegram links have been added. And here's many features you can try, like heading. Like, like I'll try my name, Prince Kumar Singh. Right? Yeah, my name has been added here. If you want to reorder it, means if you want that my name should come after my avatar image, just drag these to avatar, and here it will be there. So like that, I can explain many features in this session. So explore it, create an account, and you can add divider, vcard, Twitter tweets. You can add image grid also. You can you can collect payments from PayPal, and after 5 to 10 days, I'll be adding Razor Pay option to collect the monies. Yeah, fund if you want. You can share your Spotify list here, and many more. And here you can also Spotify Music. So it's a great tool, by the way. Not just this one. If you want to create many more bio links, you can just click on bio link page and you can create. There is no option in that. You have no limitation that you can create only one link per account. You can create as many links as you want. And for certain URLs, like you see, I just created a link and it's my previous one. So I'll just create on total page views. So you can see how many users and visitors here from your new status links. 10 visitors visited on 7 July 2022. And here you can see from which country, and you can see referrals from where they have came from. Direct they have come from link or Instagram or LinkedIn or from Google search. Which operating system they are been coming from, like Android, Windows, iOS, yeah, MacBook, and which devices, mobile version, a desktop version, and from which browser. This information are very necessary for for the influencers to manage the audience. So let's just create another demo for certain URLs. So I have created certain URLs, like I want to sort this URL. Like I have post. Sorry, sorry for interruptions. Okay, let's say previous URL. I've expired my limit only. I've been free plan till now. So this is on my okay. This is the link of my. I'll just edit it. So what features we are providing to the users? Not this one. Sorry. Mm, yeah. Like to the example of this one, like PKS as name from. Yeah, you can give the custom license like your name, yeah, your username, yeah, your title. Then you can set it temporary URL from which time to which time it will be valid, and how many clicks they want to make a user can click this link. Like I want to click only one time, and if I selling this link, आप लिंक किसी और को शेयर करते हैं और आप चाहते नहीं कि एक से ज़्यादा बार वो इस लिंक पर क्रिएट करे, मीन्स क्लिक करे, सो यू कैन जस्ट enable this one. And expression URL means after the URL has expired from the limited time, like I am just giving 25, and end date should be 26, and after that the URL will be expired. And if you want to redirect to any another URL, you can provide it here. Like we have one more feature like protection. If you're sharing a sensitive data to your clients or your friends, their members, you can just secure by number. Like I will just type 12345 as a password, and if you want to show that this link can contain a sensitive data or message, so you can just enable this one. Just update. See, I have updated the link. Let's try to open this one. Just paste this one. Okay, sorry guys. I think it's some bug. I'll fix it up. in some- Okay, it has some bug. I'll just fix it up. It's just a developer thinks that it should work in localhost but not in production applications. Just simple life. And you can create a QR codes from here. Like I have created. Let me create a QR code. Name should be demo 2, and you can add projects. As per project basis, you can also add like keyword type. You can add text, any URL, phone number, SMS, email, WhatsApp, your FaceTime like in Apple, location, your Wi-Fi password, any event you can conduct, a crypto message, a vCard, a PayPal. You can just add. Like I'll just add. Let me see. I'm just adding URL. So I'll just type this one, and you can change the color of this foreground. I'll and the famous color of blue color. So I'll just add blue, and it's just turn blue. And you can add your branding also in the middle of the QR code. Like I want to add, let's see, this one again, sort of images. So I can create a logo size. I can increase the logo, and I can. Okay, we have one more option like options. You can change the size and the margin size you want. Like I want to just 5 margin size, and you just zoom out from the main, and you can see how many error correction capability means if the QR code has been damaged, how many chance that it can be recovered or scanned by any scanner. So I'll just it's normal 7%, and I'll just create button, and my keyword has been created. You can see demo 2 has been successfully created. You can print it or you can download it. So that's it from my side, and we are trying to implement many features like you can add events, you can create events, and you can take a form registration from for a particular event and mail it up to n numbers of users that has created that has signed up from that event. So that's it from my side, Dhruv. So
Thank you so much. I think it was an amazing presentation, and you're building something really amazing. I personally liked it a lot. Before beginning with my Q&A, there is a question in the chat box by Bob, who has been a speaker in one of our keynotes as well. So he asked, does single click use any token? How do you verify that? Like, how do you verify the single clicks that you are using in your application right now? How do you verify that? What is the
no,
verification?
it doesn't use any token till now, and we verify means if any user clicks on that particular link, that link will be just plus to that in database in row that column means if the user click that row it will plus one, and for
Okay.
means spam clicks I'll be using that Google Catchpa thing in future.
Okay, gotcha. So, like for security purposes, there is a lot of work to be done. Even now, I believe
Yeah,
this again when you're creating, when you're working on so many links, there has to be some secure mechanism. I think that's what I guess NM was trying to point out as well.
yeah.
Again, that is something that we have to do, right? Cool. So, beginning with the Q&A, I just definitely want to ask you. You are currently in the first year and you're building an amazing project. How did this idea come in your mind? What was that motivation to build a project like this? Because this is a combination of, I believe, a lot many current time products that are in the marketplace. You're bringing in a lot of many things in single place. But why do you think that this is something that is required in the market today?
Yeah. So basically, in class 12, I am developing some application for my client, first client, and it's so difficult to share my email ID means and my Instagram page or my GitHub page to show my resume, means profiles, portfolio basically. So I just clicked on Linktree option,
Mhm.
and in Linktree I got a a means as I can tell that thing I am not coming hand. In LinkedIn I got what to tell that one coming by that you
With
can
your-
create
with your-
disadvantage, you can create only one bio page per account. So if any user want to create multiple bio page for different things, they have to create different accounts, and managing that account is so much difficult for everyone and remembering the password. So I just turned up a solution that let's learn a programming language. So I learned PHP from that time, and from that I implemented this dive link and I searched.
Okay. Okay, got you. That's really amazing. I believe like probably like bringing in more than one project at the same time. That's what probably you were trying to mean. Okay. Yeah. Cool. The second thing that I'd like to know from you is that like you've done a lot of integration, right? You've done integration with events, with QR codes, and everything. So how do you think this helps in the developer ecosystem? Like, in what way, like developer meetups or maybe developer
Can you repeat it once again,
events, or
please?
what do you think that this? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Sure. So you've integrated a lot of things in a single place, right? You've got
Yeah.
QR codes, payment integrations, events, and providing mailer list as well, including the portfolio feature. So how do you think from the developer perspective? Because as you mentioned, this link is mainly been created for developers, right? You're targeting the developer audience. So how do you think in what mediums you all target them? Like events, meetups, like developer relations, maybe. What is your take on that?
Yeah. For that, I haven't think yet. Means they can share their means work, and they can share a custom HTML in that file means bio page, and they can simplify their lives, and they can save your time. Yes.
Definitely. Cool. So we'll just release a poll with that. Like we'll just definitely want to know, like just like you, we've got a lot of participants joining in that YouTube stream as well, apart from the main stage. So I'm just releasing a poll. Please let me know how many of you are building a side project just like this. In case you're building any, um, feel free to put in yes if you are building. Feel free to put in no if you're not. So we'll have this data with us and we'll get to connect you for the upcoming episodes right there. In case you're building something amazing, right?
It's,
Cool. Uh,
it's
so again, coming back to Diving Prince, we'll love to know what is the future objective. What have you thought about the project? How do you want to go
yeah.
alongside it?
In
What is the
future, there's
long-term plan of from probably developer ecosystem or people who are in the market?
from future, I want that in a single platform they can create their events and many more features like Zoom integration, Google Meetup, and they can like Luma type. I I want that in from single platform everything can be done. I hope it will be successful.
Definitely. So, what is the current size of your team? The team that is working on Dabbling right now?
Currently, I'm working single in this one, but searching for a good front-end developer that can design a beautiful UI rather than this one.
Okay. Okay. So maybe you can just drop in your communal profile as well in the chat box, and people can connect you on that, or maybe your
Yes,
LinkedIn profile, right? So that people can connect you in case they want to contribute to your project. Cool. So again, I'll start another poll right now, and this poll is very important. We want everyone to rate the project of Dabbling based on the presentation that Prince Kumar has given, and it's a rating between 1 and 5, and we'll be able to judge the project according to the same criteria, right? So I've um, released the poll. You can just go and put up your answers, right? It's a rating between 1 and 5, and yep. So we have few answers coming in, but I want everyone to just post in their. Um, yeah. Okay. Cool. With that being said, again, what is the requirement apart from human resource? You already mentioned human resource as a, I mean, you're seeking from front end designers and stuff. But apart from that, what do you think is very important for diversity in upcoming years? Like
Yeah,
any
so
sort of,
basically
yeah,
it's security and the user's data for me, from my side.
okay, okay. So are you using some cloud vendors to store those data, or what is the method of storing? Because
What?
the only thing that I am very much concerned about right now is because you're working around with portfolio data and lot many, user profile data. So how do you store them, and the privacy factor of it is become very very important, right?
I
And I really want to know what is the privacy mechanism for the users that are joining.
Okay, currently we're not selling any data to any third-party users. We're just storing on our servers, and from the servers we're using a hostinger because this is only starting phase. If the user base gets high and the traffic's really means from daily basis is higher than regular, so we'll just move to cloud version at AWS.
Okay, I think that's coming, right? That's have to happen because in case you want to scale up the project, I think you have to move to cloud infrastructures. Cool. Apart from this, if anybody from the audience wants to add something about the project, any feedback they would like, that you'd like to share to Prince Master's project, feel free to just add it in the comments, and we'll be happy to feature your comment as well. And yeah, that was pretty much it from my side. Thanks, Prince, for joining us. We'll wait for 2 3 minutes to have some Q&A from audience side if audience has any questions. Um, but yeah, anybody with any queries that you have, feel free to just post it in the comment section. Okay. How you are thinking to compete with services like Bitly? That's a big question, right? Definitely. I think that's the major question that you're going to face from investors as well. There are big, products that are being currently used by
Yeah.
multinational companies, including me. Right? I also use Bitly every single day. So how do you think you're going to compete with them? What is that one USP that you think that you're bringing with yourself to the market?
Yeah, to compare them, I think I can provide as many features they want in my website, and thus the ad will be very less in my certain URLs. And I even think of a future how the website will be performing. It will be a failure or it will be a great success for me. As per that, to compete with them, if the website user base is high, I'll hire my team members, PR teams to get that to compete with them.
Definitely. I think in that case, distributorship helps a lot. Vince. From my personal experience, I think as soon as you will release this project open source and people will get to know about it, the big vendors in the market they'll copy it as soon as you publish it, and they'll publish it. Maybe ABCD company will have the same features as you have, right? So I think distributorship will play a big role. So maybe you can start networking from now on itself. Definitely, this is going to be a great medium for you to share what you're building with people. Let them know about what you're building, and our experts are going to review this as well. And in case they like it, they're going to reach you back in your community profile as well as your mail and in LinkedIn. So please keep a track of that as well, right? So yeah, good luck with your project. Amazing product. I personally loved it a lot. Good luck and best wishes for it. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Dhruv, for featuring me in your website, Miss Commander. Great experience. Thank you guys for joining us